How to find hidden chats on Snapchat? If a conversation is no longer showing in your chat feed, there are a couple of easy ways to locate it. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. The quickest method is to use the search feature. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen and enter the person's name or Snapchat username. Once their profile appears in the search results, tap on it. This will open your conversation with that person even if the chat is not currently visible in your chat list. Another method is to access the conversation through your friends list. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of Snapchat. Scroll down and select My Friends. Here, you'll see all the friends you've added on Snapchat. Browse the list or use the search option to find the person you're looking for. Once you find them, tap on their name to open your conversation. If previous messages were cleared or disappeared due to Snapchat's chat settings, you may not see older messages, but you'll still be able to access the chat. And that's how to find hidden chats on Snapchat using the search feature and your friends list. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.